नावेली मांडोपा हांगासर खणून दवरिल्ल्या रस्त्यांक लागून लोक सामके बेजारल्यात। सिवेज आनी भुंयगत केबलिंगा खातीर खणून दवरिल्ले रस्ते तशेच सोडल्यात म्हणून लोकांनी नाराजी उक्तायल्या। बाबत स्थितीत आशिल्ले रस्ते बेगोबेग दुरुस्त करचे म्हणून आमी व्हिडिओ लेगीत काढले, मात कोणूच काना मनार घेना अशी खंत थळावी रोशनी रॉड्रिक्स हांणी उक्तायल्या।
Hi, so this is we are at Mandpa right now, and you can see the destruction of the road. And this is the situation for months. There have many videos been taken out here, but still there is no change. So what are we doing about this right now? This is right next to the tributary Sal here. So what can be done now? The only option I feel left is we come together and fight for this. Until more is destroyed, I don't think we need to wait. So please, I request all to come forward and let's join together so that we can change something out here. I'm sure you all must have seen the things that are happening. So many accidents in the last few months and so many things taking place on this road. So there are people having health issues here with back problems.